there has been this saying that if you have things that are liquid and you need to give it up, then you would sell. But you did not see liquid selling of Bitcoin as drastically this time around.
I think it's held up exceptionally well. I think Bitcoin bulls should be inspired by the performance, and it's set up to rally significantly if we get a period of stability in the broader equity markets. It's worth remembering the last time we had true economic chaos during the start of COVID, Bitcoin wicked down to $5,000 and even below that. Today, we're talking about $80,000. It's a different asset. It has a broader distribution of institutional ownership. And again, I think what it's telling you is once this market volatility stabilizes, we're going to see it return to new all-time highs and then beyond. It's really a display of strength from my perspective.
I want to jump off of the spot Bitcoin market and talk about options market, because in the middle of all this, at the start of April, you launched a covered call strategy over at Bitwise. How does this work, and what's the adoption been like?
Yeah, we're really pleased by the reception we've had for these strategies. They write covered calls on leading crypto equities like MicroStrategy or Marathon or Coinbase. The idea is that the defining feature of crypto, one of its defining features, is volatility. And how do you translate volatility into an asset? Well, you write calls against volatile positions and you can generate really substantial income. So we've seen strong trading, particularly in the MicroStrategy product, IMIST. I think it's going to have a broad reception from investors who want to have exposure to crypto, but also generate significant yields and significant income over time.
What role does cryptocurrency play in a world where these currencies across the world are becoming more volatile?
I love that question. I think the answer to who wins in this currency war is Bitcoin, right? When I watched all the tariff confusion play out, and what will Trump do, and what will China do, and how many bilateral deals will we negotiate, the thing that's clearest to me from all that is that we should expect the US dollar to move lower, that we're moving from a world of the US dollar being the sole reserve currency to a world with potentially multiple reserve currencies. Bitcoin benefits when fiat currencies go lower. Bitcoin benefits when there's new space for reserve assets. I think it's the cleanest investment response to the chaos and confusion we're seeing from this tariffs, specifically because it's the hedge against fiat currency debasement. And I think we're setting up for that in the US, in China, in Europe, and around the world.